Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, we're going to talk about Bolt, which is going to be this one, Lovable AI, and of course, the newest will be Replit AI. So let's start with the ease of use. I'm going to go first with Bolt. So Bolt will be this one. As you can see right there, I already made a simple calculator. 1 plus 1 for that will be 2. So the simple code I did is make a simple calculator. So what is it? So this is everybody you want and quickly generates a working web app or a prototype with reshifting ideas fast. So that's Bolt for you. Hence the name Bolt. Next one, Lovable. So Lovable focus on building production-ready applications with AI. For example, this one. I have created a website from before with a simple prompt as well, same as Bolt. However, Lovable focuses on the details for this one. Scalable projects and creating polished websites results, as you can see right there. On the other hand, we're going to talk about Replit. So Replit has been longer. It's both coding platform and AI-powered IDE. However, the new part about this one is it's going to be powered by an awesome AI. So you can code, collaborate, and deploy all in one browser tab. So what are the features of each? Let's go back on Bolt. So Bolt is perfect for MVPs or hackathons, fast builds, and quick iterations. Hence the name again. They call it Bolt, that's why. For the Lovable, it offers a cleaner mode, integrations, and strong focus on building applications you can actually scale in your business. On the other hand, for Replit, for the features that it is super flexible. Imagine a code, for example, you're coding and then Replit will suggest the code for you. It will really build the code while you're building the code itself. It's like an assistant. So you can code in multiple languages, use the AI assistant, Ghostwriter, and instantly host your projects. So which is the best one? Now choose Bolt if you want launch fast and test ideas. Choose Lovable if you want the quality apps ready for real users. And of course, choose Replit if you want a full coding environment with AI built in. At the end of the day, it depends on whether you want speed, which is Bolt, you want scalability, which is going to be Lovable, and flexibility, which is going to be my guy, Replit. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.